Alright, I just installed iOS 26 developer beta on my iPhone 16 Pro Max and let's get straight into it. Update took around approximately 15 minutes and once it booted up, first thing I noticed, the icons. Slightly tweaked, very transparent. It reminds me of Windows Vista as a lot of people have already said it on the internet and I think that's true. Personally, I don't think I like it. It's very hard to read. If you're into transparent and glassy look, you will like it. I do not like it at all. And well, that's my first impression of icons. Let's talk about Control Center. It had a mini glow up. Everything's a bit more customizable now. You can finally move things around, no more fixed layout. And again, everything has that Windows Vista kind of vibe to it. Camera app is where it gets interesting. UI is sleeker. I personally like the new redesign of camera app. No major changes to photo quality just yet. I'm still testing that, but the interface, it feels more polished. I would say more Pro Max worthy, if you want to call it that. That's it for now. These are just my first impressions of iOS 26. I'm going to spend a few days digging into all the new features and a full in-depth breakdown is coming soon. If you don't want to miss it, hit subscribe and drop a comment if you have already updated or if you are waiting. See you in the next one. Thank you.